Hey guys, Rose here from Hawaii. Thank you for coming into my Facebook group where I'm gonna help you learn and discover your skills to become a successful Facebook entrepreneur. Okay, so you guys can start today. It is a free 7-day trial, and within the 7 days, you guys can decide whether or not this is something you can see yourself doing. Again, this is a journey. This is going to be the journey for you to discover if you can be a Facebook entrepreneur. I'm going to give you guys the skills. I'm going to have you guys have access to the courses to learn how to market efficiently on Facebook. Have you guys ever wondered how you can promote or how you can start a business using your Facebook? 6 months ago, I stumbled upon a blog and it taught me about Facebook marketing attraction. Within that 6 months, I was able to replace my job income and I was able to quit my job. And just recently, a few weeks ago, I made over $1,800 in a week, in a single week, guys. And let me tell you, okay, I'm a mother, I have 3 kids, and right now the only income coming into my household is through my internet business. Just recently my husband had a stroke and he's in the hospital currently right now. But because I have this job, because I have this business going for me on Facebook, I'm able to spend time with him in the hospital, not worry about sick leave or any of that nonsense. I'm able to be with him every single day. This is the freedom that I have, and this is the freedom I want for you guys. I want to be able to share how I'm able to duplicate this success and share it with you guys. So if you guys are ready to learn how to become a Facebook entrepreneur, go ahead and sign up on the free trial. There's going to be a pinned post. Go ahead and read the pinned post. Sign up today. A credit card is required, but again, it is a 7-day free trial, and I'm going to be with you guys every step of the way to help you guys succeed, so you guys can do the same thing and be free. Okay, guys? So go ahead and sign up. If you found this video on YouTube, go ahead and send me a friend request. Join my group. I would love to help you guys become a Facebook entrepreneur. Take care, guys. Aloha.